this is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course, and today we're going to talk about getting your license as a mobile home investor. Right now, we're standing inside one of our rehabs. We personally like to buy mobile homes and rent it out to Section 8, but I know some of you guys might be interested in flipping mobile homes or wholesaling mobile homes. We really don't like flipping mobile homes, guys. We prefer, like I said, to rent our mobile homes out. Flipping is a whole lot of work, and of course, after you flip the mobile home, you're expecting to get more money than you actually put into the mobile home when you first purchased it in the get-go. So today we're going to be talking about getting your license as a mobile home investor and what my license means. Okay, my brother is not licensed to buy and sell mobile homes, but I am licensed. It is not necessary, depending upon what state you're doing business in, it's not necessary to get a license. You don't need a license whatsoever, regardless of what state you're doing business in order to wholesale a mobile home. However, to buy and sell mobile homes, to buy a mobile home, hold on to it, and possibly rent it out to somebody else, then a license might be necessary. So you have to consult with your state, okay, regarding that, guys. It's just a quick Google search, okay? How many mobile homes can I own in the state of wherever you're trying to do business in before I need a license? This is a quick Google search. Now, I actually have 3 licenses. I have a license in being a retailer, a broker, and installer. And here in the state of Texas, they call it a RBI. So as a retailer, basically it's just saying that I am able to buy and sell mobile homes legally because I do have a license. That's all a retailer is. Now, a broker, on the other hand, basically is saying I can help somebody sell their mobile home. But hypothetically, let's just say they're wanting $20,000 for their mobile home. What's happening is that the seller is going to say, "Hey, Kelly, I want to sell my home for $20,000, but you're not going to make any more than $2,000." Okay. So in that situation, if the seller is saying, "Okay, Kelly, I want you to help me sell my home for $20,000, and regardless of what you sell it for, you're only going to be making $2,000." So that makes me the broker. I am brokering the deal. So in that particular situation, if the seller is trying to sell a mobile home for $20,000, they only going to allow me to make $2,000. If I sell the mobile home for $30,000, I'm still only going to make $2,000, and the seller is going to make $28,000. Okay, so let's do another example. Okay, so let's just say a seller comes to me, "Hey, Kelly, I want you to help me sell my mobile home for $15,000, but you're only going to make $5,000 out of the deal." Okay, they don't want you to get rich on them. They're saying you're only going to make $5,000 out of the deal. I'm going to sell my mobile home for $15,000. I'm going to let you broker the deal. They're not going to say the word broker, guys. They're going to say, "Kelly, I want you to help me sell my mobile home, but you're only going to be making $5,000. Okay, so in this particular situation, I find somebody who's going to buy this mobile home for $20,000, right? If they're going to buy the mobile home for $20,000 and the seller already told me I'm only going to be making $5,000. So there you have it, guys. The sellers are going to get their $15,000 and I'm going to get $5,000. Okay. So that's called brokering the deal. Okay. So what you do, you have a contract already with the seller saying Kelly will only get X amount of dollars for selling my mobile home. Okay. And so let's just say, guys, the sellers want to sell it for $15,000 and they only want you to make $5,000, and you wind up selling it for $30,000. You're still only going to get $5,000. And what's going to happen is the seller is going to get the $25,000. Okay. So we talked about what a retailer is. We talked about what a broker is, and let's talk about what an installer is. So basically, guys, I am licensed to install a mobile home. Okay. When a mobile home comes in to a property, whether it be on private land or inside of a mobile home park, I am licensed to install a mobile home. Now, the main reason why I got the installer's license wasn't because I was interested in installing a mobile home. That was not my intent. But my whole thing is, as an installer, as having an installer's license, guess what I can do? I can broker a deal between somebody needing to have a mobile home installed and somebody who knows how to install a mobile home. Okay, guys, so the license is called RBI, Retailers, Brokers, and Installers License.